Hi YouTubers and welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we're going to remove the engine and we're going to carry on with the bodywork repairs on the shell. So one of the jobs I had to do on this Mini is someone had cut a hole in the back, I assume for a big subwoofer. Yeah, looks like a big shark's jaw, and really roughly done. So I managed to get a piece off another Mini. Not one of mine, it was one I found on Trade Me. It's a bit like eBay. So someone was selling parts off it, so I asked them if they could cut out the rear piece in the rear seat, which they did, which is great. So I've managed to welded that in already, as you can see. Okay, so I've ripped this side out already, but it's in much the same state as the other side, so this is going to need a new A-panel, inner boxing panel here, the hinge panel that goes inside, and the pillar. Also going to put a new door step on there, and I've got some seals coming for both sides as well to replace, so just doing the whole lot. You can see that there's supposed to be a bracket in here that's completely rotten away. So there you go guys, that's the Mini all stripped out of the front. Quite pleased with progress. No horrors in there, which is good. One thing that's been done to this vehicle in the past, you can see where someone's done a repair there because it's got a different colour paint. So whether that's through rot or maybe accident damage, I don't know, but it's yeah, they've done the fender because they've painted this orange over the top of the yellow, so they must have got it off another car which was a yellow car. So there's nothing showing in the doorways or any accident damage anywhere else in the car that I can see. The door openings are millimetre perfect, so yeah, so it's a bit odd. It's probably just corrosion and someone's done a repair on it. You can just about see it in there where it changes colour, and they've joined it there. The other thing that's happened to this, someone has dragged it out or put a rope around the front onto the subframe, and you can see where they bent it all. So I'm going to attempt to push that back with a big sash clamp. So yeah, hopefully I can get that back square again, and then I'll adjust these bolt holes. Have probably been squeezed in, pulled together, so I'll probably have to try and spread those a bit as well. But I'll try and fix the subframe first, get a measurement, and then adjust the front to suit. So I was going to do some more bodywork repair on this video, but unfortunately it's getting a bit long now, so yeah, I'll call this one it. So anyway guys, if you made it this far, big thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one, which will be doing more bodywork. Okay, cheers for now.